Alright, I'm back on this 2250B here. This is, those are some of the caps that came out of the power supply and protection circuit. Some of the bad ones I pointed out on the other video. And this is the tone board. And this, historically, has some issues. And I've had a lot of issues with the 2325 right on this little board here. There's a plug-in connector, which is right there, this thing here, and that just doesn't have many or have much force or much of a contact point on there. And what happens is sometimes that loosens up and you'll get intermittent dropout, etc., etc. So that these pins have to be cleaned. That has to be shoved in there good and basically glued. I've already had to resolder or unclip it and solder the wires straight to the connectors. But this is going to be recapped too. I spotted two caps that look like they're failing on this board as well. But the most important thing is to get those controls cleaned really good. And this switch here, the switch also is very dirty, has some issues. But again, very clean. That's the phono board. This is the section where this came out of, right in here. Front of the receiver. We got it apart, replaced the vellum paper, etc., etc. I work with double lights all the time here, but it's just coming along nicely. I did find the problem on this board with some bad solder connections. I repaired them. I'm going to put the caps in, clean it up, put it back in.